are approaching the roundabout, your maximum speed should not be exceed 30 kilometers around roundabout, and you must yield to the left side. If you see something at the left side, whether pedestrian, whether vehicle, even if you see pedestrian in the right side, you must stop. Now I saw a vehicle on the left side and I wait for him to go. So he's gone. I'm gonna go now with maximum 30, no more than 30. Hand over hand is the best way to hold the steering, and signal to the right when you are exiting to the roundabout. At the speed hump, as I said, slow down, touch the brake, and go easy at the speed hump. You are approaching another roundabout. As I said, maximum speed around roundabout 30. You're going straight. You put the signal to the exit from the roundabout. So turn right at this roundabout. Yield to the left side. We're waiting here. You see this car turning, another car is here. Okay, they are not coming to my way. Right blind spot. And you turn into the right lane.